Does your business need a new or revamped cleaning or disinfecting program for consumer or employee confidence? Imagine sending a video link to your entire staff and they know what to do in under 5 minutes. The fact is, most places won't need to add expensive cleaning or disinfecting services to comply with the Oso Sanitized program. We offer a mind-blowing experience of testing cleanliness with 10-second results. And if that's not enough, it comes with cloud-based software to validate the process and secure record-keeping that automatically syncs together. Using the Oso Sanitized system and branding will validate your cleanliness and build consumer confidence no matter what type of facility you have. Our system is very simple. Use your existing cleaning process or our Simple Green commercial products to clean and disinfect your facility. Use our lab-grade testing equipment to validate the cleanliness of your facility, and that's it. Our testing equipment is very easy to use and can be adjusted for any type of surface or facility. See all of your locations from one dashboard so you know exactly what's going on with your cleaning and disinfecting process at each location. Let's face it, a roller coaster doesn't need to be as clean as a food prep table, and our system accommodates for this. Testing is done randomly based on the facility, surface type, or frequency you prefer. Once you program the tester, it can automatically select random test areas, saving you time and money. This is the same process used in hospitals and food processing plants to test for bacteria and sterilization. We make it super easy to start using the Oso Sanitized system, so call, click, or come by today to easily create a documented cleaning and disinfecting program for your company by choosing the Oso Sanitized system.